Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I just want to say thank you for clicking on my page. And if you are my regular subbies, I want to thank you so much for your continued support. And so today, I usually do not do the extra boxes that Curlbox offers. Lately, I have been, like I did a couple months ago about the Curlbox Natural. So this time I got my hands on this month, which is April's Curlbox Platinum. Yes, baby, Platinum. Y'all know how much I love Curlbox, because I tell you every time I unbox it to get you a Curlbox. So when they posted that they were going to do a Curlbox Platinum, and they posted hints here and there, me along with other Instagrammers, we went on a prowl to kind of see who was sponsoring this month's Curlbox Platinum. So I kind of have an idea, but I'm not really sure until I unbox this with you. I'm sorry. I'm trying to unbox it discreetly, but I left the tape on it. Ha! Open it. So of course I have not opened this box yet. As you can see, I literally just broke the seal right there. So yeah, let's see what this has to offer. Like I said, this is this month's, which is April 2018's Curlbox Platinum. And as always, they put in a little publication. And Return of the Diva. Diva Curl, which I kind of figured, but I wasn't really sure. So inside we have the Diva Curl Melt into Moisture Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask. We have the Deep Sea Repair, which is the Seaweed Strengthening Mask. We have the Diva Curl Super Cream Coconut Curl Styler. We have the Build Up Buster, the Water Cleansing Serum. And we have the Wash Day Wonder, the Pre-Cleanse Slip Detangler. And at the bottom is a On Wash Day. Okay, the Wash Day Wonder is actually new. So this is something new that they brought to their line. And they just want to give us a heads up that we can own our wash day with Wash Day Wonder. And I'm definitely want to see how that works, because it don't be so great in there when I wash my hair. I just be, we don't want to talk about Wash Day right now. But if you haven't followed me or since the beginning rather, you can see that my hair has definitely did some growing. I started out this journey without even a puff, and I'm definitely making progress. I know I haven't done like a lymph check. I have been going through life right now, and I am definitely trying to figure out how I can tell you all what I've been going through. It's not anything bad, but I just wanted to, my channel is regarding my hair, but I also do not mind sharing the things that goes on in my life, because maybe it can motivate or help the next person. So I'm trying to figure out how I can give you a video that kind of explains my lifestyle without boring you. So working on that. Other than that, that is all that I have from me to you. Be blessed, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.